Wow, he changed so much. And it's only been about an hour, yet he seemed like he's matured by years. What happened since we last met?
Now it's time to finish what we started, you vile beast.
I don't know how you overcame my soul bind, but I couldn't agree more, Knight. Wolf, bang!
I see that you're in a lot of pain in there, Money. Let me take away your sorrows. Eyes of discernment.
Kendell, is that you? How did you get in here?
You meant ill on me, but God turned your betrayal into a blessing. And in return, I will release you from this eternal damnation.
I don't know what to say.
Then say less.
Thank you, Kendell, for your gift.
Goodbye, my brother.
No! His soul was mine! You just can't!
I can, and I will.